Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the Milwaukee tool deals, Milwaukee only. For today, or for this video, I will be having more videos of other tool brands later today or tomorrow. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. I did change the way I'm recording things. Now I'm going to be recording them by brands. So let me know down in the comment section if this is something you want to see more often, as in brand like Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, Ridgid, Ryobi. So let me know if you want to see a separate videos like this on your own brand. Alright, so we got these gloves for $9.97. They seem to be kind of thin. Not necessarily the thickest, but yeah, they seem to be kind of thin actually. So, and then we got some drills here, and so 169 drill driver or impact driver with the battery case and a charger. We got a charger kit here with the 5, like a starter kit, and that's the brushless drill with the 2 amp hour battery. And that's the impact driver there at the bottom with the hard case. And you got some axe, $10.97 for a pack of 2, 9-inch, and then $9.97. Then you got some torches there for $12.97. And those are the oscillating tools that they have, or oscillating bits or blades. So they got some molten material there. They got some wood and metal. So definitely a great little value there. If you can want to stock up on those blades, those are the axe, the wrecker, the axe. So $119 for all these tools. You got a multi-tool reciprocating saw. That's the reciprocating saw right there. It's a non-fuel. All these tools are the non-fuel tools. Then you got the circular saw, and then you got the angle grinder there. Like I said, non-fuel. You got the buy one get one free, $169. You get a free 6. That's the 12 volt Milwaukee. So that's definitely a great deal to check out if you're in the Milwaukee line, especially in the 12 volt. You buy the kit on the left, you get a free 2 amp hour battery. So $199. I believe is a brushed kit. It's not a brushless kit. So just be careful when you're buying something like this. If you want brushless, you want the latest and greatest. Obviously, it's not this, but still, don't get me wrong. These are still great tools. A lot of people still be using this on the field, construction, whatnot. A lot of people still use these tools. So 2 amp hour. That's the 2 amp hour battery you're gonna get. And that's the 3-tool combo kit. They are brush tools, but you get the oscillating tool. And these are the fuel. This is a 5 amp hour battery. You get that free if you buy fuel combo kit, drill driver, impact driver, and hammer drill and impact driver with 2 batteries for $3.99. And then you got the 3-tool combo kit for $4.99 with the hard case. So that's the hammer drill and the impact driver combo. That's the free 5 you get, which is a nice battery. I have a few of those, and they last a long time. That's the one with the reciprocating saw, the 3-tool combo kit. The 5 amp hour kit combo. You got the little chainsaw there for pruning with the 4 amp hour battery. That's the 2 battery pack for $169. I believe it's an 8 and a 3, which is a good deal for $169. A lot better deal than the other battery pack that they're having there. No, actually, that's not the. They have another battery there for $219. $3.99 M18 quick lock string trimmer combo blower kit. And then these tools are great, guys. If you want to get into the Milwaukee line, I do have the blower. I still need to do a review on the blower. That's the quick lock, so you can use that power head on other type of tools. You can just buy the adapter for them or the extension, whatnot, and then just they sell different extensions. You can use the same power head there. Looks like an 8 amp hour battery there. So $249, the string trimmer with the 6 amp hour battery, the M18. That's it right there. I believe that's the older one. That's the regular one. Alright, so you got the blower for $159. You got the edge trimmer, $169. You got the trimmer, the string trimmer for $299. Alright, that's the chainsaw for $299. The 16-inch chainsaw, which I gotta get. I gotta get myself one of these. That's a 16-inch, 6,600 RPM. So bark length. You got the change gauge, 0.043. Says about 10 pounds. Alright, you got some trimmer line there, 1997 for a 0.095. That's it right there, 250 feet. That's the blower right there, 159. $159 each. Yeah, it's a nice blower. I gotta do that review. I just been really behind on all that with work and everything. So you got the quick lock tool only. And you got the pruning saw, 6-inch pruning saw, which is like a little chainsaw, $249. You got the fan for $89. It is a dual power. Then you got the drill driver and impact driver combo, $279. And then you got this one for $379. It's a bandsaw. I believe it's an M18. And you got the 2 amp hour battery back there for $89. It looks like a circular saw, if I'm not, don't get me wrong, for $249. Then I do have this one. If you guys haven't checked out the video for this one, I do have it. Works really well. It's a little pricey, but sometimes they have it on sale for just a little bit more than that with 2 batteries. So, but yeah, definitely check it out, my video for that the cutoff saw. Then they got this. This is awesome installation driver, $229. You get the free ratchet, the little Dremel tool or rotary tool, or you can get the oscillator tool. You got the ratchets there for $149. Those are the brushed, not the brushless. You got a circular saw there for $149. You got a drill there, looks for $169. And that's the installation driver, the 4-in-1 installation driver, which that's the one I want to get. But I already spent too much money So you got the drill driver, impact driver, fuel for $229. You got the bandsaw, M12 bandsaw for $169. Those are the replacements, 3-pack for $24.97. Looks like it. Then you got some more tools here, some more M12. You got the camera, inspection camera, 360 degrees, $229. You got the cordless right angle for $89. Multi-tool for $89. Got the stapler there. And it looks like the multi-tool for $149. The Dremel tool for $89. Or rotary, however you want to call it. I call my rotary Dremels, so pretty much because I know that it's not the brand Dremel, but you know, that's what I know them for. So $89 for this soldering. The soldering iron. It's a really handy device to have. You got the radio there, 2951-20 for $119. I gotta get me a radio. If you guys, let me know down in the comment section which one's your favorite radio from Milwaukee or DeWalt. You got the buy more save more from Milwaukee. If you spend $4.99 or more, you get $150. You spend $3.99 or more, you get $80. Or $2.99 or more, you get $30. Obviously, the $150 is the best, so always get it closer to that $500 mark. You're gonna be getting the most out of your money. And then again, you can mix match all these tools. You got the circular rear handle circular saw for $269, hammer drill for $149, impact drive for $149. You got the hacksaw for $159. You got the angle grinder for $179. That's the circular saw for $249 there. The 7 1/4. You got a jigsaw there for $199. That's the angle grinder for $179, which that's the one of the tools I want. 4.5 to 5 inch paddle switch. And then you got the saw for $199. You get the rotary SDS hammer, $329. You got the multi-tool, $229. And then you got the router, so the compact router for $199. And then it looks like the compressor there. And then you got these titanium bit set for $99.27, which I think it's a little overpriced. You got the circular saw there for $149. The Cutoff tool for $139. Got the oscillator for $149. So there you go, guys. And then you got the vacuum here. This is the older vacuum for $119. So the first gen, the first one. And then you got the filter for $19.97. And then you got the stick vac, which you got a lot of attachment that is included. So that's one thing I like about this. It's a great value there for $199. I wouldn't say it's as strong as that one. I think that one's stronger. The $299 is the backpack vacuum. Those are the ones, the attachments that they have, I guess. So definitely check it out, guys. This is it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Let me know down in the comment section if this is the type of video that you guys want, just a certain tool brand. If this is what you want, let me know down in the comment section. And that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.